I've never met this woman before in my life, but I'm in her house and I'm going to teach her how to play drums for the next month.
I found out where she lived and I'm holding her hostage.
Alona is the singer in our band, Alona Mayu. We thought it would be a good idea to get her playing our songs in case I ever fall ill or die horribly.
At my hand.
We're going to teach you over this next month not only to become an amazing drummer, but how to play our song Criminal. So, to get to said goal, Alona is going to be doing 2 one-hour lessons a week for the next 4 weeks, along with a lot of practice.
No.
You wanted this!
Can I just magically become good at drums?
Hang on, let me try really hard.
We're going to mind meld. Right.
No.
Emma's got the sticks, Alona's got the groove. 4 weeks of practice, we got something to prove. Kick that bass drum, snare it up in time, learning all the rhythms, making them alright. Drumming lessons, beat by beat we play. Drumming sessions, Emma leads the way.
5 hours earlier.
Hello.
Are you in my house?
Yes, I'm in your house, darling.
Do you want to come and say hello?
No, I don't. I'm busy setting up a drum kit. You should come say hello to me.
I want a kiss on my forehead.
Tell the people where we're at in terms of progress.
I am a beginner. I really don't know anything of what I'm doing technically, and I really struggle with coordination and like being consistent with times. So I can do a very basic and not consistent beat. I don't even know how you describe it. I could do like a hi-hat thing. So I can do...
We shall work upon that. So, let's crack on with it. Because what you've got there is called a 4 to the floor. And that's actually not a bad place to be. Criminal, at the beginning, sounds like this. That is a 16th note groove. Do you know what a 16th note groove is?
Nope.
Good. The things I have to check first are if your technique's good.
I'm going to spoil it for you now. It's not. It's bad. It's real bad.
It could be worse. I have seen worse. So, give me that straight 8 again.
I don't even know if this is the right amount of notes. Is that
That's
too
good.
many
No,
or
that's
is that
good. That's
enough?
right. That's right. How do you count it?
I don't. I just kind of do it.
Okay, so I'm also going to have a look at your finger-hand technique.
I mean, you shouted at me about my finger-hand technique a lot, so I have taken on board some of what you said.
It doesn't look like you have.
Well, at least I'm not sticking my pinkies out anymore.
That's true.
It used to be like this.
What you should have is the middle pad of the finger and then the top bit wrapped around and that. And then rotate your hand around so the thumb's not on top. And put the rest of the fingers, wrap them around naturally. Yeah. Back to 8th note groove.
Okay.
So hands over again. So I want to count all the notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the hi-hat.
Do I do the snare as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 and... Oh,
Slower. As slow as you need to not get it wrong.
Ah! Okay. My brain hurts. 1. Oh no. 1. 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
Yes.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and I did it!
You
Drums.
did it! Neural pathways being made as we speak.
Hydration break. 1 and 2, no. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and no. 1 and 2 and 3 1.
So I will write you some notes,
Okay.
and you're going to practice at least
10 minutes a day.
at least 10 minutes a day.
So it's day 2. I had my first lesson with Emma yesterday. It's currently 10 p.m. I left this really late in the day, but luckily the beauty of an electric kit is that you can play it at any time of day, and as long as you're far away enough from people in the house, hopefully no one should shout at me. Right, so I need to also work on my technique, because you need to put the stick between this finger and this thumb and hold it like this, and then secure it with your fingies. I should probably do like a whole thing about how I feel. Inadequate, I think would be the word. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Definitely count out loud. Don't try and do this without counting out loud. You're just making your life more difficult. Look at me. I'm the new drum influencer. It's happening. 1 immediately messes it up. My coordination is terrible. 1. I want to be immediately good at this. Hello, it's day 3. I'm going to practice again. It's not 10 o'clock at night this time. Well done, me. It's not going to be that much different from what I was working on yesterday. It's going to be pretty much the same. We're going to montage it. You're just going to speed through. Let's get into it. I think we're going to call it for today. Confidence does not feel very high.
Editor here. Alona, it has only been 3 days. You are doing fine. Chill out.
It's okay. We all have these days. Like, I started off feeling confident and then it just kind of died. So we're going to stop now. And I'll see you tomorrow. Hello. I have skipped a day. Forgive me. It was a Sunday. I wanted to lie in bed and play games. I don't want to do anything. And I think, you know what, that's just human of me. We'll allow it. But we're going straight back onto it today.
Today we introduce the emotion tracker. Alona has many ups and downs today, and it's kind of hard to keep up. So I will do that for you. Please look to the top right of your screen to see how she is feeling.
I'm going to do the criminal groove just to wake us up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4. I just hit myself in the head with a stick. It's hard to concentrate on the actual thing that you're playing, plus your technique at the same time. 1 and 2. Oh, it's really hard to do the kick and the snare at the same time. That's really tricky. I'm working my way through though. It's getting better. It's feeling less difficult as I go on, so that's nice. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll be smashing this, hopefully. I think I'm hitting that wall. I think we've reached half an hour. I feel like these never end positively. I just get to a point where I'm like, I feel like I'm really rubbish and I want to stop now. Learning an instrument is really hard. Props to all of you for doing it, because it's not easy. I respect your commitment. I'll see you in the next one.
So I want you to run through that bass drum exercise because I want to see where you're at with it. I'm not doing it to torture you. I'm genuinely interested.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4
So notice how you didn't mess it up when you go that slow, because it's
Shut up.
even harder to mess it up. That's the whole point. It's the whole point.
How do people get fast at singles, doubles, and paradiddles? I'm so like, I feel like I'm a baby deer fresh out the womb. I'm just like, ugh, ugh.
That's how she's feeling beginning at the end of lesson 2. That's the mood, is it? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me teach this person. Like I said, I've never met her before. I don't know who she is. She smells funny. Ew.
It's my natural musk.
There will be 3 other videos on top of this one each week as Alona goes through this month with me, and then there'll be a big old long one with it all compiled together at the end. Sound
And if
good?
I can't play drums at the end, I get shot.
That's it. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Let's not.
No, we're gonna keep that in. We're gonna keep it in.